So have a look on 23rd illustration. Four partners are there, A, B, C and D. Their ratio was 1, 4, 3 and 2. D retires. Your entry should become A, B, C to D. But we have to calculate the gaining ratio first. Goodwill is already given to you. It is already calculated. Now they have said that D's share of goodwill is to be adjusted in the capitals of ABC, who decide the future ratio 4:3:3. This was the old ratio and new ratio is already given, beta. Old ratio is given with 4 partners. And after the retirement of D, new ratio is also given with 3 partners. A, B, C will share future profits in the ratio 4:3:3. When we have calculated the gaining ratio is new ratio minus old ratio. A's gain, new 4/10 and old 1/10. He have gained 3/10. Positive answer. Now B's gain we have calculated, new ratio minus old ratio. He have sacrificed. How we come to know that he have sacrificed? His answer was in minus. Positive answer gain, negative answer sacrifice. If we are calculating gaining ratio, positive answer will be gain and negative answer will be sacrifice. Now C is gain. 3/10 minus 3/10 means 0. C have not gained anything at all. Now what we have to pass? Journal entry. Who have gained? A's capital account debit to who have sacrificed? B's capital account. And who was retiring? D. D's capital account. This will become the entry. The person who will gain will be debited and the person who will sacrifice will be credited. Here we have also used a formula gaining to sacrificing. We have already done. In second chapter, we have already done gaining to sacrificing. Otherwise, we are using remaining to retiring and gaining to sacrificing. Both can be used. Now, 2 lakh was the goodwill of the firm. What should be given to B and D? D should be given his old share. D will be given 2/10. That will be 40,000. But B will not be given his old share. B will be given his gain. Sorry, sacrifice. Whatever he have sacrificed, that will be given to B. Means 1/10 is 20,000. We have to consider that the person who is retiring will get his share 2/10 of 2 lakh. But the person who is sacrificing will get his sacrifice, not his share. 2 lakh into 1/10. 1/10 was the gain of B. Now these both amounts will be given by A only. Now here you will write accounting treatment of goodwill on retirement of D in gaining ratio where B sacrifices. This is your accounting treatment in this case. Old ratio is already given bache, and after retirement of D, new ratio is also given. What you have done, you have applied a formula of gaining ratio, that is new ratio minus old ratio. New ratio is given in the question, old is also given in the question. When you have subtracted it, you came to know that A have gained, B have sacrificed. Negative answer means sacrifice. C have not gained, not sacrificed anything. C will not be there in the entry at all. The person who will gain will be debited. Now you will write gaining to sacrificing. Yeah, this becomes gaining to sacrificing, this becomes remaining to retiring. Any doubt, bache? Now next question is very important. All the 3 entries which are used in this chapter are discussed here. 24th question. A, B, C, D are 4 partners with ratio 3:3:2. 4 partners are there. A, B, C, D, 3:3:2 and 2. D retires. Retirement of D is given to you. D retires. A, B, C, D, four partners are there. D retires. A, B, C decided to share future profits in the ratio 3 to 1. New ratio is given, old was given. Goodwill of the firm is valued at, valued goodwill is 6 lakh. This will be given in gaining to sacrificing. Goodwill already appears 4 lakh 50,000. Already appears 450. And one more thing is given, that after the retirement of D, new profit is given to you. 1 lakh, 12 lakh. New profit is given to you 12 lakh. It was the question. This is a question which was in 2012 board exam. You have to pass journal entries. Now, bache, maximum 3 journal entries are there in this chapter, and those all we are going to discuss now. First entry we will go for writing of the old goodwill that is appearing in the books. A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit, C's capital account debit, D's capital account debit to goodwill. Old goodwill will be written off to old partners. Old goodwill written off to old partners in old ratio. In old ratio. Old goodwill was 4,50,000. Old ratio was 332.